Okay, good morning, everybody. Seems like we are going to have a new host tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so this is the daily currency call where Jin shares his analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So the usual schedule of the week is Monday, Aussie and Kiwi, which is today, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday, Pound, Thursday, Yen and Gold, and Friday, the Canadian dollar. So I see many familiar names here. Yeah, but I do see some new names too that are not from the Traders Club. So do help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? Okay, so yeah, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both long-term investors and short-term traders. Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risks. So a disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have quite a few first-timers here. So just before I go on to introduce Jin, do let me know how did you guys get here. So yeah, Jin is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades more than US $10 million account on a daily basis for his managed account clients. He is also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Singapore, recently being featured in local radio, sharing his views about the FX market. So if you are in Malaysia, do look out for a few more features of him in the Malaysia radio. It's coming up soon. So yeah, let's quick look at the poll again. Yeah, we do have a lot of you guys from the Traders Club, but we do have people coming in from the Telegram channel and from our emails and friends sharing. So I would like to take this opportunity to share what is the Traders Club about, as it will definitely be beneficial to your trading. So this is our private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, and signal and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So whether you are new, full-time or part-time trading, this is where you get all your information. This is the place to be. So if you have joined us from the Telegram, you do get free signals from us. You know when to enter a trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we actually show you everything. We actually signal this earlier on the Traders Club and on the Telegram channel. And we also tell you the strategy behind the signals so that you can learn how we trade. We also guide you on when to exit with giving you reasons. So for example, for this signal, we actually tell you it hits TP1, suggest to secure profits. So you don't get this information in Telegram. So, you know, in the long run, you not only just earn from the signals, you also get to learn how to trade better. If you are totally new, you can hop on here. We have members-only live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, and update you on recent market and economic developments. So, for example, on Monday, we usually have Jin and the whole team giving you economic roundup, signals coaching, and also group coaching by Jin himself. So this is the opportunity to pick Jin's brain on pretty much any trading related questions you may have. We also have a lot of tutorial videos that we hold on Wednesday, live sessions. We teach you about trend, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, divergence. You know, we always seek information from the group. What do they want to learn? And then we teach them on our Wednesday tutorial coaching sessions. So yeah, then we have a wide array of other things like the daily analysis here, currency watch list, of course our 4-day course, which is gonna start tomorrow. But if you join the club, you can come in here and straight away get access to the videos. So you get to learn everything from scratch. Yeah, so these are some things that you have giving you all the best information, shortcutting your way to trading success. So to join this group, it's very simple. I will put the link in the chat later, but come over to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. It's only $199 a year, less than $1 a day. So if you are facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any unnecessary risk, you need to join this club to improve your strategy and confidence immediately and get some profits straight away. So trading can be lonely, but with a group of coaches, senior traders, and of course Jin himself guiding you, trading can be enjoyable and definitely more profitable. So if you haven't already, hop on and click on this link to join us on Traders Club. So with that, I'll pass the time now to Jin for the currency call.
All right, good morning, everyone. So Monday today, we are looking at the Aussie dollar, the Kiwi dollar, a couple of news coming up this week that could impact prices. But before we get into that, tomorrow is Tuesday, 1st of December. We will be starting the 4-day course, free 4-day course. Let me get to that. Where is it? All right. So LCMS Traders 4-day FX Kickstarter. If you are on Facebook and you're not already in the group, search for LCMS 4-day FX Kickstarter and click join. We're trying to get as many people in as possible. If you are already in the group, if you have attended before already, make sure you attend again. We will be doing this live, and also make sure you invite some friends and family or anyone who want to get started into trading. You know that it's on Facebook. There's no credit card details. It's absolutely free. Okay. And one thing we haven't been talking much about as well is during this program or during this course, we will also be giving away 4 live trading accounts fully funded for you to trade. One of the biggest problems with a lot of people with their trading journey is they don't have enough capital to trade with. So, not just am I going to teach you how to trade, I'll also be selecting some people, giving them a fully funded account to trade with. We'll take the downside. If there's any upside, or when there's upside, you take the upside. So we'll go through that. Just make sure you get as many people in as possible into the 4-day FX Kickstarter starting on Tuesday, tomorrow night. All right. With that said, LCMS Traders Club, we just posted this up. This week is the first week of, great, someone just clicked to join the 4-day course. Fantastic. This week is the first week of December. So being the first week of December, we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. Traders Club members, take note of this post. You can start your guesses right now. The details are there, right? So guess what the non-farm payroll number is going to be. Exact match will win 100 Amazon voucher, $100 on Amazon vouchers. Or if not, the closest match without going over will be $50 Amazon vouchers. So, if you're paying $199 to join the club and you win $100 on Amazon voucher, you almost get your club paid for already. Or if you win $50, you get almost a quarter of it paid for, right? So club members, make sure you join this NFP competition. All you have to do is put in your guess in the comments right below. For example, I would say, my number is 450K and that's my guess. Okay, so I've just taken the first guess. Make sure you put in your numbers after that. With that said, looking at the news, ForexTradingAsia.com, looking at all the analysis, looking at all the economic data here. Today, we have some good smattering of news across the board, some UK news. We spoke about what could happen on Friday already. What you'll notice is there's not a lot of big hard impact news here, but the main thing to pay attention to is tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. So this is Tuesday. Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. We have the RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision. they're most likely or probably definitely going to hold it at 0.1%, but pay a bit of attention to what the Reserve Bank of Australia would say in their rate statement. It's all about the rate statement, not so much about the numbers now. Are they happy with the way the economy is running at 0.1% interest rates? Are they looking to go lower or to increase stimulus, right? They seem to have gotten through this phase of the COVID cases. They seem to have looked like they're going to reopen everything, get back to normal again. What's the Reserve Bank thinking? I feel that we might actually see some positivity coming around from the Reserve Bank. So we might see some upside move in the Aussie dollar. But despite that, right, the Aussie dollar is at a multi period high. So if we see that going up any higher, be a bit more careful with how much higher it could go. I don't think it's going to climb significantly. We might see some big sharp drops as people take profit or realize profit from their medium to longer term trades. One more thing to pay attention to is also on Wednesday morning, Aussie GDP numbers quarter on quarter going from -7% to +2.5%. Possibly breaking out of that technical recession, right? So breaking away from a negative GDP number looks like a positive move towards the Aussie dollar. Could see further upside on the Aussie dollar. All this put together gives me that bias towards why I think we could see some upside on the Aussie. Okay. Then nothing much. We have some New Zealand building numbers, not too concerned about that. And then retail sales number 8:30 a.m. on Friday morning for Aussie. Not super concerned about that. Very seasonal number, especially as we come towards the end of the year. And then non-farm payrolls on Friday night, 9:30. We have non-farm unemployment rate at 6.9, expected at 6.8. Going from 906K to 598. Oh no, wait here. 638 to 500, and then average hourly earnings remaining at 0.1%. So this is also one of the reasons why I thought it would be about 450K, going from 638 to 500, maybe a bit of a downside move. We might look at it at 450. So with all that, it looks like we're going to have some mixed numbers coming for non-farm. Average hourly earnings staying the same. Might be a bit of a weaker non-farm number, but unemployment rate probably improving a little bit. We might see some mixed news coming from the US dollar. Putting all that together, looking at the charts, this is the Aussie US dollar on the H4 time frame. I wanted to show you this on the daily time frame first. The last time we were at this 7391 level or 7377 level was way back in the end of August. All right, and if I zoom out further, you can see that it's been a long time. The last time we got there was in 2018 December. Okay, 2018 December. We're in 2020 December now. You see that this is actually quite interesting to me, right? I find everything interesting. The last time it was there, it hit this level and came straight down, right? It hit this level, tested, go higher, and came straight down off 7377 all the way down. I think this was a bit of a fake move, but all the way down towards 7036. So we see that very big downside move. Could that happen again this time round? Quite possibly. Looking at it on the H4 time frame, with the news tomorrow, possibly some upside move in the Aussie dollar. I think that we can see a bit of an upside move. So possibly something like that. But I think that as it goes any higher, as it tries to hit that or tries to break that 0.74 level, we're going to see a lot of profit taking. We're going to see a lot of speculative selling. If it does come back down and break 7377, we could see further downside all the way down to maybe even 7214. Very big move here, but only if it breaks below 7377. Okay, so you can see that it could even be a 50 pip stop loss for a good 100 almost 150 pip take profit. You could look to buy it up very cautiously and then get ready to sell if it does break below 7377. That's the Aussie dollar. The New Zealand dollar on H4 is playing out to almost exactly what I said last week. So I'll zoom it in a little bit. All right, last week I was saying that it's possibly going to go up, test this 70 level, 0.7 level, and then possibly break downwards from there. Stretching it a little bit, it is testing this 0.70 level. It does look like it's losing strength on that upside move. So we could see it probably taper, probably sit across a little bit. And then if it does break below 70, we could again be looking at a 30, 40 pip stop loss for a good 120 pip downside move. But remember, this is significantly counter trend. You're going against 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of upside move, at least 4 weeks of upside move. If it does break below 0.7, we could see very significant and quick downside move, but counter trend trades do take a little bit more to succeed, that 30% chance of succeeding. With all that said, it does look like this week is going to be quite interesting with how the markets are going to play out. If you have been listening and watching and you like what you hear, you might not fully understand why I ignore retail sales or why I'm looking for counter trend or what makes me think the market is going to go higher or lower. Make sure you attend the 4-day course, Tuesday, Thursday this week, Tuesday, Thursday next week. It will be fully streamed live. The recordings will be left there for a couple of days or maybe a week, then it'll be taken down. So make sure you attend it live. You get to ask questions, you get to get stuff clarified straight away as you go through the program. And then the last thing you can do the most to help me out is to copy that link right there in the chat, post it on your Facebook, tag me, get everyone else to join. I know only Jason does this because I see it happen straight on my Facebook. No one else does it. I still ask and I still hope that you would do it on your Facebook, post it up, tag me. Let's get as many people as we can onto the 4-day course. With that said, I will pass it back to Jinwei.
All right, so I've just posted some links on the chat. So our YouTube channel, do subscribe to it for our daily recordings. Telegram channel for the free signals, Traders Club link, and of course the 4-day course link. So like Jin said, do share the 4-day course link on your Facebook. That would help us a lot. Yeah, so with that, see you guys tomorrow for the morning's Euro currency call and also at night the 4-day course. So yeah. Oh, before you guys leave, do help us with this poll. How did you find the webinar? Yes.
We might see a new host as well tomorrow. We might just see a new host tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the currency call today. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.